Good morning. You know what time it is. It's the 52-week money challenge for 2022 with my awesome friend, Creative Thinking. You know I join her every chance I get. She's a wonderful channel and she puts up great content. And of course, I love her savings channel. I love the 52-week money challenge. This one I'm doing to save money up for my dental work. Please join in if you can. It doesn't matter how much you save. Like Creative Thinking always says, it's not the amount of money, it's the point of saving something, starting somewhere. We all need a little bit of money somewhere in our bank. Somewhere, if an emergency arises, we aren't worrying about it and we're not having to use credit cards. Me, I have money put aside for emergencies already, so I don't need to build that really up any more than I already have. But I do have a lot of dental work that I need to do, about $20,000 worth. No way can I do that. It's impossible. But I can do one tooth at a time. Last year I saved enough up to do a bridge and fix one tooth. This year I'm hoping to get at least one tooth done, and next year one tooth done. If we start small and keep working to the point, each month we save something, eventually we'll get something done and accomplished. Please start joining in. And also, please go over and look and check out Creative Thinking's channel. She's an awesome creator. She's super sweet, super kind, and start joining in on some of these savings challenges. You're going to be amazed at what you can do if you just start now, doing something. Well, in a few days, I'm going to give you the update on my cruise saving that I'm going to do with my grandchildren. We're taking a Disney cruise. So come back in a few days and see what that total is. Right now we're working on the 52-week money challenge, and let's see what Grandma did.
Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. You know what time it is, don't you? Savings time, the 52-week challenge. I'm a couple of weeks behind. I will probably try to catch up, not with $100 a week, but maybe like $20, $25 until we get up to the 52-week challenge. I'm only off, I think, by 2 weeks. I had hit COVID and I was sick, and of course, if I wasn't working, I couldn't be earning any money. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm still a little on the tired side. And because of this, I've decided the most important thing is I need to start spending more family time with my family. We never know what the Lord is going to give us, and I want to spend as much time as I can while I'm still here with my family. So we are going to be going down to $25 a week starting in April. I am not going to be working any more Saturdays after March. I just think it's more important to have family time. Well, let's start counting the money and be happy with what we've saved. So far, I will get one tooth fixed this year for sure. The money's already in the bank I saved last year. I am going to try to get enough money this year in the bank for another tooth next year. So that means I will have 2 teeth fixed in the next 2 years. That's not a lot, but at least it's something, and I'm not in debt. Most important thing of all. Let's see what Grandma's doing today. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, $5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah. 10 ones. Now, let's go over and see what we can do. Okay. Now, let's see what else. 5s. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 75, 85. Ah, that's wrong. That's $80. I don't know. I can't seem to count or thing today. I think I'm too tired. Anyway, we got up to 80 now. Now we're going to put a 20. Whoops. Let's see if it'll stand. Okay, it's standing. So there's another 20. $80. Okay, now let's see the subtotal of what we have today. Oh, Grandma didn't have her stuff ready. She is so bad. Can't believe it. Oh, I'm sorry it's taking me so long. Should have had this already before I did this video. Oh well. Don't want to give out too much banking information. We have $600 now saved. That really isn't too bad, considering that's for January and February. I don't know. Who knows? I might even almost be caught up now. It does seem like doing pretty good. Anyway, we'll see. I'll have to figure out how many weeks I missed, and I will try to get caught up this coming month. I'm working full-time still, and this will be the last month I can get any money ahead. After that, we're going to have to go down on a little tighter budget, and I'm not saying I can't save something every week, because I know I can. I just have to apply myself. And it's very important that we think what we want to do and then start doing it. Make a plan what is important to us and what we're saving for. My 52-week challenge is for the dental work. I don't know what I'll have by the end of the year, but it really doesn't matter. I have somewhere to start. I've done a pretty good job so far this year. We're at 600, and hopefully I will get another. I sort of hope I can make $1,000 this year. I guess that's what my goal will be. I may get more than that saved, but I'm really hoping for the 1,000. More than likely, it should be more than that, because I'm already over halfway there, because I'm already at 600. And then in March, I'll be putting another 100, so that'll be 700. I probably will figure it out at $25 a week, what it will actually be at the end of this challenge. But I do feel blessed that I've been able to save what I have. And, you know, like creative thinking always says, don't worry how much you save, just worry about saving something. Starting somewhere. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm not worrying how much. I just want to stay consistently putting something in the bank every week for the 52-week challenge. Please. This challenge can be any amount you want. You don't have to save like me. You can save a lot smaller. The only reason why I pushed myself so hard was because I was trying to get dental work done. I have probably close to $20,000 worth of dental work. I am never going into debt for $20,000. I'm going to get what I can get done every year and be happy with what I can do. And be blessed that I've been able to do what I've done. Hugs and kisses to all of you, my awesome friends. Please start joining in. Start thinking of your future, what you need, and start saving for it. Please click the like button, and if you're not already following, please think about it.